Tired of falling victim to every cold and flu that comes your way? What if I told you there's a simple, natural remedy that could revolutionize your health? Today, we're diving into Dr. Barbara O'Neill's game-changing Flu Bomb, a potent concoction that promises to knock out everything from the common cold to bronchitis. Welcome to Health Channel. In today's video, we're diving into a transformative remedy that promises to change your life. Tired of the constant sniffles, coughs, and the never-ending cycle of colds and flu? Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned natural health expert, has crafted a potent concoction called the Flu Bomb. This all-natural remedy not only fights off flu, but also targets bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia, and more. Forget about those flu shots and over-the-counter medicines with endless side effects. Stay tuned as we unveil the recipe and benefits of this incredible home remedy that will have you feeling your best in no time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more life-changing health tips. Respiratory illnesses are a significant health concern in the United States, affecting millions of people each year. Bronchitis, for example, impacts over 10 million Americans annually. Acute bronchitis is particularly common during the winter months, leading to persistent coughs and discomfort that can disrupt daily life. Chronic bronchitis, a form of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, affects around 9 million adults, contributing to long-term health issues and decreased quality of life. Asthma is a common condition affecting about 25 million Americans, including 5.5 million children. It's a chronic disease that can make it hard to breathe, and asthma attacks can be triggered by things like allergens, pollution, and infections. These attacks often lead to trips to the emergency room, with over 1.6 million visits each year. This shows how important it is to manage and prevent asthma effectively. The flu, or influenza, poses a significant public health challenge. The flu can lead to severe complications, especially in vulnerable populations such as the elderly, young children, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions. On average, the flu results in an estimated 35,000 deaths annually in the United States, underscoring the importance of preventive measures. Sinusitis, or inflammation of the sinuses, is another widespread condition affecting about 28.9 million adults in the U.S. each year. Chronic sinusitis can lead to long-term symptoms such as nasal congestion, facial pain, and reduced quality of life. The economic burden of sinusitis is substantial, with millions of doctor visits and billions of dollars spent on treatment annually. Given the widespread impact of these respiratory illnesses, finding effective natural remedies is crucial. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's Flu Bomb offers a promising solution that not only addresses the symptoms of these conditions, but also enhances overall immune function. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this life-changing remedy and explore how it can help you breathe easier and stay healthier all year round. Why the reason of respiratory illnesses in the USA are so high. Many respiratory illnesses in the USA are linked to our lifestyle choices. One big factor is eating processed foods. These foods often contain unhealthy ingredients that can weaken our immune system, making it easier for infections and inflammation to occur. This can worsen conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. A diet lacking in essential nutrients can also make it harder for our bodies to fight off illnesses like the flu and pneumonia. Another major cause is a sedentary lifestyle. When we don't get enough exercise, our lungs and airways don't stay as healthy. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, boosts the immune system, and reduces inflammation. However, many people spend too much time sitting, whether at work or at home, which can lead to poor respiratory health and increase the risk of problems. Environmental pollution is also a significant issue. Things like car exhaust, industrial emissions, and tobacco smoke can irritate our respiratory system and trigger conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Long-term exposure to polluted air can lead to chronic respiratory diseases and decreased lung function. To combat these issues, we need to focus on a healthier lifestyle. Eating whole, unprocessed foods, getting regular exercise, and reducing exposure to pollutants can help prevent and manage respiratory illnesses. By making these changes, we can improve our overall respiratory health and reduce the risk of conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. harnessing the body's natural healing. Dr. Barbara O'Neill believes that our bodies can heal themselves if we give them the right conditions. This means eating a proper diet, getting enough sunlight, and using natural remedies. A healthy diet with lots of whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds gives our bodies the nutrients they need to stay strong. These foods help boost the immune system and fight off infections, making it easier to recover from respiratory illnesses like asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Avoiding processed foods and sugars can reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Getting enough sunlight is also important. Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin D can lower the risk of respiratory infections and keep our lungs healthy. Plus, sunlight can improve our mood and energy levels. Natural remedies like Dr. Barbara's Flu Balm use ingredients such as garlic, ginger, lemon, and honey to support the body's healing process. These natural ingredients have been used for a long time to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and fight infections without the side effects of conventional medicines. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's approach focuses on using these simple but powerful lifestyle changes to help our bodies heal naturally. By eating well, getting enough sunlight, and using natural remedies, we can support our bodies in overcoming respiratory illnesses and staying healthy. The best way to defend against illnesses is by having a strong immune system. You can boost your immune system naturally using some common kitchen ingredients. First, vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water. Leftover amounts of the vitamin leave the body through the urine. So it is essential to take every day, especially when it comes to boosting your immune system. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, a vital nutrient known for its powerful immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C is essential for the body's defense system. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. When you consume lemon juice, the high vitamin C content helps your body combat illnesses more effectively. One of the great benefits of vitamin C is its ability to shorten the duration of colds. Research has shown that regular intake of vitamin C can reduce the severity and length of cold symptoms. This means that drinking lemon juice can help you recover faster if you catch a cold. Additionally, vitamin C is a strong antioxidant. It helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken your immune system. By incorporating lemon juice into your diet, you're not only boosting your immune system, but also protecting your body from harmful oxidative stress. To get the most out of lemon juice, try adding the juice of one lemon to a glass of warm water. This can be a refreshing and healthy start to your day, providing your body with a good dose of vitamin C to keep your immune system strong and ready to fight off any infections. Let's talk about garlic. Garlic is a powerful ingredient that can help your immune system fight off infections. It contains compounds that boost the disease-fighting response of white blood cells in your body. Dr. Barbara O'Neill often highlights the incredible benefits of garlic for boosting the immune system. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy due to its potent medicinal properties. Here's why it's such an effective immune booster. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it effective in fighting a wide range of infections. When you consume garlic, allicin boosts the disease-fighting response of certain white blood cells in your body, helping them to respond more effectively to viruses and bacteria. For the best results, it's recommended to crush or slice garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before consuming it. This process enhances the formation of allicin, maximizing its health benefits. Dr. Barbara often advises incorporating raw garlic into your diet, such as adding it to salads, dressings, or even consuming it with a bit of honey to make it more palatable. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is particularly beneficial for respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis, as it helps to soothe the airways and reduce symptoms. Now, let's talk about ginger. This humble root is truly a gift from nature. When you use ginger, you're tapping into one of the most powerful natural healers we have. You see, ginger is loaded with compounds that fight inflammation in your body. Inflammation is at the root of so many health problems. So by reducing it, you're doing your whole body a favor. It's like putting out little fires all over your system. But that's not all. Ginger is also packed with antioxidants. These little warriors go around your body, cleaning up harmful substances that can damage your cells. It's like having a tiny army of janitors working 24/7 to keep your body clean and healthy. And here's the best part. All of this translates to a stronger immune system. When your body isn't bogged down fighting inflammation, and when your cells are protected from damage, your immune system can focus on its main job, keeping those nasty bugs and viruses at bay. So, by adding ginger to your diet or to remedies like our flu balm, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay healthy and fight off illnesses naturally. It's simple, it's effective, and it's exactly how nature intended us to heal. Remember, your body knows how to be well. Sometimes it just needs a little help from amazing plants like ginger. Capsicum, or cayenne pepper, is really good for your body, especially your blood flow. It's different from chili peppers and doesn't upset your stomach like some spicy foods can. When you eat capsicum, it helps your blood move around your body better. This is important because your blood carries food and oxygen to all parts of your body. Better blood flow means your body works better overall. Capsicum is great at making your blood flow improve. It can help if you often have cold hands and feet, or if you get muscle cramps. It also helps your body fight off sickness better. It can even help heal things like stomach ulcers by bringing more blood to the area that needs to heal. Dr. Barbara thinks capsicum is so good that she always carries some with her. She believes that using capsicum regularly can help keep you healthy in a natural way. Now, let's talk about one of nature's sweetest medicines, organic black honey. This isn't your ordinary honey, folks. It's a real powerhouse when it comes to healing. You see, organic black honey is packed full of antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties. This means it's not just tasty, but it's also fighting off harmful bacteria in your body. When you're dealing with a flu infection, this can be a real blessing. It helps soothe that scratchy throat and can even help fight the infection itself. But that's not all. This honey is also wonderful for your digestion. It can help calm an upset stomach, which is often a problem when you're battling the flu. And because it's organic, you know you're not putting any nasty chemicals or pesticides into your body. What I love about organic black honey is how it supports your immune system. It's got enzymes and nutrients that help boost your body's natural defenses. So not only is it helping you feel better when you're sick, but it's also working to prevent illness in the first place. And let's not forget about coughs. You know how miserable a persistent cough can be when you're trying to recover from the flu. Well, a spoonful of this honey can work wonders. It coats your throat, helping to suppress those coughs and give you some relief. Barbara O'Neill might continue discussing the effectiveness of the flu balm. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, does this flu balm really work? Well, let me tell you, I've seen it work wonders time and time again. I remember one time in 2019 at pandemic stage, my daughter's whole family came down with flu. They were feeling absolutely miserable. But you know what? They started using the flu balm, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day for the brave ones. And would you believe it? In just 3 days, they were over it. 3 days. That's the power of giving your body what it needs to heal itself. And it's not just my family. I've had countless people come to me with stories of how the flu balm helped them recover quickly from all sorts of respiratory issues. Whether it's the flu, bronchitis, or even pneumonia, this natural remedy seems to kick those illnesses to the curb faster than you'd expect. One gentleman told me he'd been suffering from sinusitis every year, but this year he tried the flu balm. With a little twist, he used onion instead of garlic. Within 2 days, he was well. 2 days. Compare that to how long these things usually drag on. Now, I'm not saying it's a miracle cure. Our bodies are all different, and we all respond in our own ways. But what I am saying is that time and time again, I've seen this simple, natural remedy help people recover faster and feel better sooner. She said, remember, your body knows how to heal itself. The Flu Bomb just gives it the tools it needs to do the job more effectively. And that's why I believe so strongly in the power of this natural approach to health. Here's a simplified process for making the Flu Bomb, as Dr. Barbara O'Neill might describe it. All right, let's make this Flu Bomb together. It's simple, and you probably have most of these ingredients right in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need. Start with half a cup of hot water. Not boiling, mind you, just nice and hot. Crush 1 clove of garlic. If you're not a big garlic fan, you can use a bit less. But remember, garlic is powerful medicine. Grate about a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's our capsicum, and it's going to get your blood flowing. Squeeze in the juice from 1 lemon. If your lemons are small, you might want to use 2. Finally, add a teaspoon of honey. Raw, local honey is best if you can get it. Now, mix all of this together in your hot water. Give it a good stir to make sure everything's well combined. And there you have it, your very own Flu Bomb. Drink it while it's still warm for the best effect. I recommend having this 3 times a day when you're feeling under the weather. Remember, this isn't just a drink. It's natural medicine as home remedy. Each ingredient is working hard to support your body's natural healing processes. So sip it slowly and let nature do its work. Folks, we've covered a lot today about this powerful Flu Bomb and how it can support your body's natural healing abilities. But remember, true health isn't just about treating symptoms when they appear. It's about living in harmony with nature and giving your body what it needs every day. So I challenge you to take charge of your health. Start by making this Flu Bomb the next time you feel under the weather. Experience its effects for yourself. But don't stop there. Explore more natural remedies. Learn about the foods that heal, and most importantly, listen to your body. It knows what it needs. If you found this information helpful, please share it with your loved ones. Let's spread the message of natural healing far and wide. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to live a healthier, more natural life. Remember, your health is in your hands. Now go out there and start bomb those flus naturally.